Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tanisha's Dental World. So today we are going to talk about penicillin mechanism of action. So basically how do penicillin work? So before starting this topic, if you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel as I'll be uploading much more content in future and also it will mean a lot to me. And also if you have any suggestion, you can comment down below or reach me directly. Link will be in the description box. So let's start the topic. Before understanding how do penicillin work, we need to understand few basic of bacterial cell wall. This bacterial cell wall they consist of peptidoglycan layers, and these peptidoglycan they consist of glycan chains, and these glycan chains they are cross-linked by peptide chains. So talking about the glycan chain, they consist of alternating NAM and NAG amino sugars. The NAM is N-acetyl-muramic acid and NAG is N-acetyl-glucosamine. So with this NAM part of glycan chain, there is a pentapeptide linked to it. So there are five. So there are five amino acid that is pentapeptide linked to the NAM sugar, and with the pentapeptide there is a pentaglycine chain attached to it. So with the third amino acid, there is pentaglycine attached to it. So what happens is these pentaglycine it is attached to another strand like this. So this pentaglycine, it is attached to third amino acid of one strand and it is linked with fourth amino acid of another strand. So the thing here to understand is the as glycine is linked to fourth amino acid of another strand, there is a cleavage of fifth that is terminal amino acid, which is D-alanine in this case. So what happens is this cleavage brings out the increase in stability of cell wall and also increase rigidity. So ये cleavage की वजह से cell wall की strength में rigidity में stability में इसमें increase आ रहा है. ये linkage कराता कौन है? It is done by it is done by transpeptidases. वो link कराता है a glycine of one strand to the fourth amino acid of another strand. इससे सेल वॉल की रिजिडिटी स्टेबिलिटी में इंक्रीज होता है. ये सब हो रहा है इन नॉर्मल बैक्टीरियल सेल. इसमें पेनिसिलिन का क्या रोल होता है दैट आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन. दिस पेनिसिलिन इट विल inhibit the action of transpeptidase. वो मतलब ट्रांसपेप्टिडेज क्या करता है क्रॉस लिंकिंग कराता है बिटवीन ग्लाइसिन टू द अमाइनो एसिड ऑफ अनदर स्ट्रैंड. तो पेनिसिलिन इसे इनहिबिट करेगा दैट मीन्स क्रॉस लिंकिंग नहीं होगी. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, सो द सेल वॉल इट विल बिकम deficient. So cell wall will become deficient and it will ultimately lead to lysis of bacteria. So that's how penicillin works. So to give you a quick review, NAM and NAG are alternating sugar that is glycan chain. They are attached to polypeptide और उसके थर्ड अमाइनो एसिड के साथ पेंटाग्लाइसिन अटैच होता है जो क्रॉस लिंक करता है टू द फोर्थ अमाइनो एसिड ऑफ अनदर स्ट्रैंड. दिस इज फैसिलिटेटेड बाय ट्रांसपेप्टिडेज एंड इससे क्लीवेज होती है फिफ्थ अमाइनो एसिड की दैट ब्रिंग्स आउट द स्टेबिलिटी of the bacterial cell wall. So what penicillin does is it inhibits the action of transpeptidase. इससे cross linking नहीं हो पाती है. Thus the cell wall it becomes deficient and it ultimately leads to lysis of cell. That means cell death. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please make sure that you like, share, comment and subscribe, and any suggestion, any honest review will be highly appreciated. Thank you so much.